Bienvenidos to Fat Vegas. I'm Pablo Espuma. Great meeting you, rookie. You're in the most poppin' city in the world here, so buckle up. Why, you ask? We got the ultimate in battle entertainment. That's why. This place is a foam smash paradise. Here you find the best foam fighters there are, the FOAMSTARS. Every night, we take it to the limit, surfing glistening foam and bursting our rivals' bubbles for 1 billion fans across the globe. And, you wanna know who's number one? This Puma, right in front of your eyes, muchacho. Check it out. Here's my trophy from the Grand Slam. Pretty poppin', right? Besides the stadium, the city's got boutiques, spas, hotels, the works. So live it up, FOAMSTAR style. This is your new home, the Royal Lounge in the Million-Star Hotel. 5 stars is never enough, right? I'm with you on that, hombre. Foam Smash is about having a blast without blasting anyone else's beliefs. Well, here's hoping we meet in the arena soon. FOAMSTARS rule. It's showtime.
So, the party's about to start.
Get ready for the performance of a lifetime. You know I shine brightest under the spotlight.
Looks like everyone's ready. Let the good times roll. Hello, everyone, and a huge welcome to
Okay,
FOAMSTARS
let's make some noise.
On tonight's agenda,
I'm at the top of my game.
This is a once-in-a-lifetime chance to get down with the FOAMSTARS. So, let's party bubble style. Get ready, the party's on!
Okay. Ha! Aha! The show's not over yet. Let's dance. Take it easy, girl. Ha! Spiky beat!
The party is over!
Okay. Bubble step. Nice knowing you. Okay. Ha. Oh yeah. Nice duet. Let's go all out, Spiky.
Let me do you a victory sound.
victory!
I'll do even better next time. Just watch and see. Thank you, everyone!
Glorious party!
Ready to go.
Tonight's agenda is
Beginning mission.
This is a once-in-a-lifetime chance to get down with the FOAMSTARS. So, let's party bubble style. Get ready, the party's on!
Back to the hunt then. Go! Let's go! I'm never alone. Pending! Look out! One down! Yep. Win the win. We're foraging again.
What's on you?
Eat this. Hey, I'm done for. Time for some Emperor action.
Aguto, nice kill.
Relax. I'll keep this star covered. Look out! I'm never alone. One down! But there are things I have to do. I'm done for! Ah!
Aguto, nice kill.
Don't go thinking this is over just yet. Hunt them down.
What's on you?
We're foraging again. Over! It'll devastate. Emanate the power! All right, here we go!
Rise up, everyone!
Go! Penguin squad! but there are things I have to do. I'm done for!
This party's reaching a climax.
All right, here we go! I'm done for! Here we go! You're running. One down.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
So long. Right in. Bubble storm approaching. Stay front. Yeah. Let's go. Come on. I'm done for. Target identified. My own. Flip out! We're foraging, gang. It'll devastate us. Go!
Nice kill.
That's a win. But not without some heat. The planet can't take much more. Come on.
Thanks, everyone!
Hello, everyone, and a huge welcome to FOAMSTARS Glorious Party.
Target identified.
Tonight's agenda is
Beginning the hunt.
This is a once-in-a-lifetime chance to get down with the FOAMSTARS. So, let's party bubble style. Get ready, the party's on!
Out! Slide in! I'm never alone.
Nice chill! Nice chill!
foraging gang. It'll dance. Already.
Nice chill.
Right in. Win for the win. Do that. One down. My mother's. Now I'm saving you. That's not enough to stop my waddle. Flip out. I'm gonna win for our great blue planet. Right in. We're foraging gang. It'll devastate. I am so much faster. Victory's nearly within my flippers.
Party's over. Nice chill. Victory.
We won the battle, but the war rages on. The war to save the planet. This isn't my victory alone. It belongs to the flock.